Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2018 Mathematics Past Question, question 19. The LCM of 2, 3 and 8 is dash A 48, B 38, C 24 and D 14. So we have to find the LCM of the following set of numbers, which is 2, 3 and 8. Now LCM simply means what? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. That's the full meaning of LCM. Now, like you know, multiple of numbers simply means what? That is like the product of that number. Let's say, for instance, you have a number 2. Multiples of 2 simply means what? The result of the product of 2. Like when you have 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, you say what? 4 is the product of what? 2. That is a multiple of 2. Now we are looking for the common multiple. Common multiple simply refers to what? The multiple or a number which is a multiple of 2, also a multiple of 3 and a multiple of 8. That is, this number is a multiple of all these numbers. And then lowest common multiple simply refers to what? The lowest out of the multiple, or out of the number which is a multiple of these given numbers. And now for us to what? Find the LCM of a given set of numbers, we have what? 2 rules. First, number 1 is that what? You express these numbers, these given numbers, as products of what? Prime factors. Express the numbers as products of prime factors. Then 2, you now what? You now find the what? Find the product of all the prime factors in what? In this expression. So you find the product of all prime factors. Now let's start. Number 1, so we should express them what? As a product of prime factors. The first number given to us here is 2. Now to express 2 as a product of its prime factors, we start with the word lowest prime number. I know prime numbers are numbers with what? With just 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Now 2 is the lowest prime number. We start from 2, and 2 we go into 2 once, so we just have 2 here. The next number is what? Is 3. Now the lowest prime number is 2, but 2 cannot go into 3, so we move to the next prime number, which is 3. Now 3 will go into 3 what? Once, so we therefore have what? 3. And the next number is what? 8. Now we start with the lowest prime number as usual, which is 2. 2 into 8 will give us what? Will give us 4. So we put down 2. Now we have what? We are left with 4. 2 into 4, it can still go. We give us what? 2. We write down the 2 again. Times. Now 2 into 2 will give us 1. So we put down the 2. Now let's what? Let's take the second step now, which is what? Find the product of all the what? Prime factors. Now when you are finding the product of all prime factors, note there is no room for what? For repetition. That is, if you have a prime factor here and that prime factor is also in any of the prime factors of any other number, you do not have to what? To repeat it. Remember, we are looking for the what? We are looking for the lowest product. That's what we call the LCM. So we are finding the lowest product, the LCM, the lowest common multiple. So therefore, LCM now will be equal to what? It will be equal to 2 multiplied by what? The 3. Now normally you will say what? Multiply by this 2, but no, because this 2 is already present here. So we move to the next 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, and this will give us what? Now we have 2 times 3 to give us 6, 6 times 2 to give us 12, and 12 times 2 to give us 24. So therefore, the LCM of 2, 3 and 8 is 24. That is, the lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 8 is 24. From the option here, option C corresponds to our answer, which says what? 24. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.